Upgrading road lighting systems to LEDs enables large energy savings. It also allows integration with smart city management systems. But how to be sure that the new lighting installation is better and meet the requirements of the standard? How to measure quality of road lighting? My name is Mikołaj Przybyła, the head of GL Optic. Today I'm going to introduce you to the world's first comprehensive measurement system designed to work in the field conditions, GL Opticam 3.0. GL Opticam 3.0 imaging luminance measuring device for verifying luminance distribution of the road lighting in accordance with the European Standard 13201/2016. European Standard for Road Lighting specifies minimum functional requirements for the design and verification of the quality of road lighting. According to this document, measurements must be made on the road to verify if the level and distribution of luminance is in accordance with the requirements of the standard. Imaging luminance meter GL Opticam 3.0 fully complies with the requirements of the standard. It was designed by a team of GL Optic engineers in cooperation with experts from the Department of Lighting Technology of Poznań University of Technology as a part of a research and development project co-financed by National Research and Development Center. The goal of this project was to create a complete measurement setup which offers verification of luminance distribution under real and varying weather conditions. Unlike competitive laboratory devices, the GL Opticam 3.0 is the world's first fully equipped portable measuring station available on the market. GL Opticam 3.0 is already used by lighting companies, road managers and maintenance companies in Poland, Europe and worldwide. This imaging luminance meter is a specially calibrated camera. Thanks to the use of waterproof housing IP54 and sensor thermal stabilization, it is suitable for working in all weather conditions. The set is packed in handy cases. From these we can build a convenient workstation to operate the entire system. There is a room for a dedicated computer equipped with a specialized software, GL Opticam Soft. Thanks to this, immediately after taking a picture, you can determine whether the lighting meets the requirements of the standard. An indispensable part of the kit are active measurement field markers used to mark the measured part of the road. This allows the measurement grid to be quickly applied in the software so that the analysis goes very efficient. In addition, the set also includes a power bank, measuring wheel, spare batteries and even reflective vests. Let's take a look how using the GL Opticam 3.0 system in real conditions, luminance distribution on the road can be efficiently measured. We are at an illuminated section of the highway. This part was designed in M1 class because it runs close to a city where traffic is very high. There are exits, overpasses and various conflict zones. So to carry out measurements in such difficult conditions, it is necessary to close the road. The most time-consuming part is the preparation, logistical security and marking the measurement site. However, the measurement itself takes a few minutes and consists in taking a photo. The camera should be placed in the middle of each driving lane at 60-meter distance before the measurement field. After taking a picture, the software converts the perspective image to a bird's eye view and automatically places dozens of measurement points. GL Opticam 3.0 allows to efficiently carry out professional road lighting measurement and verify compliance with the standard. It is the world's first comprehensive luminance measurement system fully adapted to field measurements. GL Opticam 3.0 makes it easier and faster to verify the quality of lighting. Thanks to this, road lighting measurements will be made more and more often, which will certainly have an impact on road safety. Road managers and city authorities will be assured that the new installations meet the minimum performance requirement. For more information, you can visit our website, you can drop us an email or visit our light quality blog.